Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are doing great. Alhamdulillah, I am also good. Today topic is very interesting. So let let's get started. আমি চাই তুমি নতুন কিছু শিখো। সে চায় তুমি নতুন কিছু শিখো। তারা চায় তুমি নতুন কিছু শিখো। আমরা চাই তুমি নতুন কিছু শিখো। We can make translate English. I want you to learn something new. He wants you to learn something new. They want you to learn something new. We want you to learn something new. We can practice this way. Thanks to all.